Put down everything you're doing and make this sauce right now. It's so good. Let's go. Guys, your food does not have to be boring. What I'm gonna show you here is a high protein enchilada sauce I've been adding to my chicken. I've got 6 ounces of chicken breast here. Just put in some lemon juice and cooked it up in that, so it's just lemon chicken. I'm gonna use some of these zero carb tortillas, 3 of them. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix up this sauce, and I like to put this enchilada sauce on there. This enchilada sauce is gonna come in at 25 grams of protein. It's so easy to make. I promise you, you're gonna love this. So you can put it on your chicken. You can put it on, you can do it with just chips if you want. Anything like it just tastes really good. There's only a few ingredients, so I wanted to show you this one because this one really helps flavor your food. So your food does not have to be boring. All right, you can eat healthy and it can still taste good. I promise you, you got to try this one. Check this out. So all we're going to do, we're going to use half a cup of cottage cheese. I'm using this cottage cheese right here. We're going to use 1 serving, which is 1/4 cup of whatever enchilada sauce you want to get. This one's just a red enchilada sauce, whatever you get. Make sure you read the macros on the back to make sure it doesn't have a bunch of extra stuff in there. This one's pretty good, okay? Tastes really good. I'm going to use just 1 tablespoon of milk to give it that, so it mixes up a little bit better. And then just 1 serving, 28 grams of shredded cheese. If you want to use fat-free, if you want to use full fat, whatever cheese you want to use mozzarella, just make it a shredded cheese. And then that's all you need to do. We're going to add all that into the blender. I'm using my little Ninja blender here. It's real easy to use. That's it. And then you put it on your tacos. So like I said, this sauce, you know, we might not finish the sauce in this entire meal, but if you use it again for dinner or, you know, whatever you want to do, basically the tacos are coming in at around 43 grams of protein and the sauce is coming in at around 25 grams of protein. So add that up. If we eat all this right now, it's going to be 68 grams of protein. Okay. So you don't have to eat all that right now. I'm pretty hungry and I thought, you know what, let me show you this idea. Because I've been using it the past couple days and it really helps flavor up just boring chicken. If you want to do chicken breasts, chicken thighs, whatever you want to do, you can even put this sauce on beef. It tastes really good. So check it out. Just keep this in stock and it'll really help with your goals. So let's make this up real quick. So like I said, we're going to just use half a cup cottage cheese, 1 serving of whatever enchilada sauce you want to use. It doesn't matter. 1 tablespoon of milk. I'm trying not to make too much of a mess here. So I use 1 tablespoon because when I first made it, I used 2 and it was too much. It got a little too watery, okay? And then I'm just gonna add the cheese. That's it. Now what you can also do with this sauce, after you blend it up, heat it up in the microwave. It tastes so good. All right, let's go ahead and blend this up. We should be good there. Let's check it out. That's a sauce right there. So you can also use this as a dip. If you have some chips, use it as a dip. Okay, it's a high protein dip, and it tastes really good, especially when you heat it up. So I'm gonna heat mine up. Ooh, but it smells like cheese enchiladas right here. I'm telling you, it's good. You got to try this one, guys. Just gonna add the chicken. Once again, this is 6 ounces of chicken. You don't have to do 6 ounces. You don't have to use the low carb tortillas if you don't want to. I know I get the comments of, oh, well, you know, chemicals and this and that. I mean, whatever tortillas you want to use. Or guess what? You don't have to use tortillas at all. You can just grab you a bowl of chicken and put that on there and you're good to go right there. So you don't even have to use the tortillas, okay? Go ahead and just grab some of this. Look at that. It's just goodness. And you just lay it on there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to heat this up in the microwave for a minute. Probably not even a minute. And that's all you do. And then look, you even got some more left over for later. You can also, if you want to, you can make a bigger batch, put it in something like this, and just squirt that joker on there, okay? But look at that. That is so simple, okay? The chicken cooks real easy, however you want to make your chicken. Throw it on some tortillas, make your sauce. You can make your sauce while you're cooking the chicken. It's very simple. Get your tortillas if you want. If you're against them, don't want them, then you can also just don't use the tortillas then. Just put the chicken in a bowl. It's already flavored really good. Add this sauce on it. Keep this sauce, because like I said, you can use it on beef, chicken, anything you want, okay? So check this out. I'm just trying to help you flavor up your food. It makes it taste a lot better. Your food does not have to be boring. It can still taste good. It can still be healthy. It can still be packed with protein. Like I said, if I finish this plate and finish this, that's going to be a total of 68 grams of protein. All right. You don't have to finish it in one meal. You can eat it throughout the day. So definitely check this out. Like, comment, let me know what you think. If you'll try this out. If not, if you have some other ideas, maybe some other ingredients I can add to this to kind of flavor it up, let me know what you think. And I appreciate you watching. Let's get better. Come on.